我炸！
Guys, welcome to my channel. Like this video, write a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.
Você é tudo zica. Oh my God!
You here? All right, y'all ready?
Skopjes fokus. Ja, deze is niet zo mooi.
Почему ты ведешь себя вот так вот? Я же тебя люблю. Я тебя люблю только одну. Не смей говорить про меня такое.
She's a very freaky girl.
Motherfucking know what, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, and you really motherfucking wanna motherfucking show it. If you're motherfucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands.
Don't look at me like that again, please. Hey, let me see how you were looking at me when I wasn't even looking at you. Are you gonna kill me? They'll find this on my phone.
How do I relax? Well, like many other Americans, I come home and I pet my dog. You see, petting your dog is one of the most relaxing things you can possibly do. It releases a hormone called oxytocin, which reduces stress.